Are you the one looking to build a career in finance industry? If so, you may have come across the courses like ACCA and CFA. But what is the difference between these two programs and which suits you? Let's start with focus. While ACCA focuses on finance, accounting and management, and CFA that focuses on portfolio management, investment analysis and financial analysis. ACCA has a broader scope covering topics such as taxation, auditing and financial reporting, whereas CFA has specialized in investment portfolio. Regarding difficulty, well, both the courses are equally challenging. However, CFA is considered more challenging because of its narrower scope and depth of content. Well, while completing ACCA course, they provide designated Chartered Certified Accountant certification, and CFA provides Chartered Financial Analyst on completing all the three levels. While talking about career paths, well, ACCA provides careers in accounting, finance, and management roles. However, CFA provides more positions in investment banking, portfolio management, and financial analyst roles, along with equity research positions. So, which course is right for you? Well, it totally depends upon your interest and your career goals. If you want a broader scope and more range of positions in finance, ACCA is a right choice for you. And if you are interested in more of investment management roles, CFA is the right choice for you. Regardless of which course you choose, ACCA or CFA, both provides valuable insights and knowledge to pursue your career in finance.